Are you trying to get rich by trading crypto? Well, buckle up, because if you're new here, it's going to be a wild ride. In this video, I'm going to be going over the 3 stages that newbie crypto investors go through so that you can identify which part of the crypto investing journey you're in so that you can advance accordingly. Let's go. Hey there, my name's Sergio. Welcome back to the channel. In this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. I also got a bunch of cool links in the description down below. So let's jump right into the video. All right, so I'm going to be breaking down in this video. I believe there are 3 stages to every newbie crypto investor that all of us must go through when we first get started in the world of crypto. And I'm going to break down each stage in detail. So hopefully you get something out of this to help you advance accordingly and get to the goal, which is to start actually profiting and making money investing in crypto. All right, so the first stage, I call it the introductory stage. So this is where you start hearing about Bitcoin and it catches your interest. Maybe you hear about other cryptos as well, like maybe the major ones like ETH, maybe Sol or Doge, maybe some meme coins as well. So you buy a bit of these cryptos that you hear about to test your luck. You don't really know what you're doing and you don't really know much about these projects in detail, but all the excitement around these cryptos gets you to actually put some of your hard-earned money into them. And then you just sit around and wait to see what happens. In the first introductory stage of crypto investing, you might also hear and be interested in trading, like day trading or also leverage trading, to try and maximize your money. However, this will most likely end up losing you even more money. So I call this the first stage because you're not really informed and you're just kind of testing your luck on different cryptos that you hear about. So that's the first stage. Now moving on to the second stage of every newbie crypto investor's journey is when you start hearing more and more about certain coins, altcoins, or meme coins, or maybe AI or gaming coins, and these coins catch your interest because you're seeing how much gains they've been having in the past few days or weeks. So you decide to go full degenerate on these coins and sell all of your Bitcoin or major coins that you have bought, which are not really moving much anymore because the crypto is either over or almost over, and you're not seeing your safer investments like Bitcoin, maybe ETH or Sol going up. So you decide to sell them completely and start diving into these small coins or tiny coins like meme coins or maybe AI coins, gaming coins, etc. So they can try and catch quicker moves and make more money off of them. Or you may even think it's the next big coin that's going to make it to the top 10, or it actually has long-term potential for future real-world use case. But usually what ends up happening is you miss the top of the market. The prices start to drop. You can't time the market, and you end up holding onto your bags while they just keep dropping and dropping and dropping, never returning to those all-time highs for a very long time. Some of these coins may even disappear if they're small enough, or some of these projects may go bankrupt, or some of them may be even scams. So on some of them, you won't lose completely. On some of them, you may lose completely if they completely close. Whereas if you would have held your investments in BTC, yes, it would have gone down, but definitely not as much. And in this second stage, maybe you even continue trying to day trade or leverage trade to try and learn how to actually make money by day trading. And like I said, most likely this will probably end up costing you even more time and money lost. So in between this first stage and second stage, it could be maybe just a couple weeks or months or maybe up to even years. For me, it actually took a couple years. So this is where we get to the third stage of every newbie crypto investor. And the third stage is, I believe, where you finally get it. And I would like to believe that this is where I am at now. In this stage, you can see the crypto market a whole lot clearer. You are no longer hyped by the new pumping coins or confused by all the many different types of coins that there are. The only crypto you really believe in now long-term is Bitcoin. And you realize that while yes, some of these other altcoins may have future long-term potential in 10 years, it's really hard to determine which ones are actually the ones that will survive and which ones are the ones that will thrive. So you realize that the best thing to really do is put the majority of your money, of your investments, into the safest and long-term play, which is Bitcoin, and then spread a smaller percentage of your portfolio into the other coins that you will believe have real world use long term. And yes, I might still even invest in some meme coins and really tiny coins. But the way I see it now is I invest into these coins only to make some quick profits. And once I see I make some quick profits, I am out as soon as I can back into my main long-term position, which is Bitcoin. Because Bitcoin is the safest long-term crypto bet from all angles. And I'm not going to go over all of the reasons why in this video, but I'll have a separate video on that topic. So your way of thinking changes from a gambler type of mentality to a long-term investor mentality. You realize that all the other altcoins are just really different levels of gambling or speculation, as they call it. Because all the other altcoins are really just in competition with each other. Which one is the fastest? Which one charges the lowest fees? Which one is proof of work? Which one is proof of stake? Which one stays decentralized? And which one is most approved and centralized by the government? All these different things that they are competing for. So part of my crypto investing plan now is holding my biggest position in Bitcoin. And then I also have some other smaller positions on coins that I believe in long term. And then I have a very small percentage of my portfolio in tiny coins that I feel will have the most gains, but those I realize I could just lose all of my money on them. And I'm using all of these altcoins to just take profit and sell them all completely when I feel that the bull run is over for Bitcoin. Because I do believe that there will be another altcoin market, because there are a lot of newbies still coming in. And that's the good thing. Since there are newbies coming in, they will continue to go through this cycle of these 3 stages that I am mentioning in this video. So I do feel that we will have an altcoin cycle, and these altcoins will go up again. And that's when I am going to sell them and either place them back into Bitcoin or into a stable coin to wait for all prices to come back down. And then I will determine if, how much I'm going to put back into Bitcoin, and if I may enter some new altcoin positions as well. So I guess in the end, the little old lady strategy by Da Vinci Jeremy is the best crypto investing strategy, in my opinion, for long term, because it just consists of investing into these altcoins, and when you get a 2x return on them versus Bitcoin, you trade it back into BTC, which is the safest long-term play. And if you would have used the little lady strategy for the past 5-10 years, you would have made a lot of money right now. And yes, I will try to time the market this time around again, but this time is a little bit different because I do have a checklist of different signals that I will be looking out for to exit the market and exit all of my altcoins either back into BTC or into stable coins. And most likely I will be uploading that video sharing that information with you guys for the next Financial Friday video. So stay tuned for that. Alright everyone, so those are the 3 main stages of every newbie crypto investor. Go ahead and destroy that like button if you enjoyed the video. Comment down below, let me know if you did. And that's all for this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. As always, peace.